After that, you can search here Google Ads. You need to search Google Ads, not Google AdSense, Google Ads. Then click on the that result. Then you will see here ads.google.com. So you need to click on this ad link, or you can directly search ads.google.com on the browser here. Click on the link. So it will go to the Google Ads sign in button or sign up. So we need to sign up actually. So you need to click on the start now button to sign up. So you need to log in your Gmail here. So I'm going to log in here. I'm just going to ignore this part here. So it's went to the page that account creation page here in Google Ads. So they are giving here different options to create an account, but they are giving the express mode here. Express mode is like you are going to create an ad also here, so we don't need that. So we are going to create an account first, the free account. So you don't need to click any of this option. You need to click here switch to expert mode. Down you can see this small link. So click on switch to expert mode, that link. After that you will see there is different boxes. This is also campaign creation window, so we don't need any campaign here first. So first we need to have account, so you can ignore this all the boxes. Then down you can see left side bottom corner, create an account without a campaign. So you need to click on this link. Then it will show billing country, time zone, currency. So by default here UAE and dirhams is selected here. I'm just keeping as the same, or for example I'm going to change here. So you can click, if you want to change you can click small drop down arrow button here. So I'm going to change India. So time zone also is changed, billing country also changed. Now I need to change the currency also. So we need to make sure you are going to put proper information here, because after you create account, when you are going to pay, this will be the currency, time zone, because your ads, you need to measure your ads in analytics side. You will see the time or date, depend on that the time zone. So now it's already clear here. They are not asking any credit card or anything here, so because we are creating a free account. Now I'm going to click submit button to confirm this level. Submit. So it's already a account created, so you need to click on explore your account, this button here. So it's already, you have already account. So you have already account now. Now you can create a campaigns, new campaigns, like a lot of things here. It's so many things we need to learn for the Google Ads. So now I'm going to sign out this, sign out. Now again, if you are going to open a Google Ads account, you can sign in this way, your email ID first, or you can directly search like before Google Ads here. Okay, then click on the link, then click the same link here, ads.google.com. So you will go to the same window, but here not start now button, because we already sign up. Start now button only for the sign up process we are doing. Now we can sign in because you have already the account. So sign in button, and this is the email ID, that same I will choose, and password, enter. So now it will go directly to the account. So it's showing for me the verification, because I opened already the account. Let me do the maybe when you are doing that, they will ask for you also the verification when you are going to sign in. So I got already my OTP number, so I'm going to put here. Okay, I'm going to click next. So it's already verified, and anytime when you want to open the Google Ads account, just sign in. Just go to Google Ads link and just click sign in. You will be here. So I hope this video is useful for you. Kindly subscribe the channel. Also press the bell icon so that you will get notification when I am uploading a new video. I am uploading a lot of video related digital marketing or any software, Revit, graphic designing, video editing. So a lot of video I'm going to upload. So thanks for watching. Take care.